when the workstation's choking, you don't call a hobbyist, you call a surgeon. You call the surgeon. Gutting the machine and bringing the soul back. Turn the monitors up. Turn the monitors up. Yo, my X6 was flatlining, buried in the dirt. Every sticky key and dead pad was making it heard. It was a silver graveyard, a monument of grime, until I hit the lab, losing no damn time. Scott Davis stepped in, no mask, just the heat. He ripped the chassis open like a rib cage in the street. He's scraping out the filth, the neglect and the dust. In the hands of a master, it's a matter of trust. He's got the Azapro pill burning through the residue. Same day execution, what the hell can you do? Gutted and reborn, Scott David ripped the filters, now the speakers are torn. Deep clean, specialist, scrub to the bone. Same day fixed now, he's reclaiming the throne. The old and the grand is screaming in the night. Scott David fixed the ghost, now the signal's tight. Check the SRX board 6, slotted in the dark. He cleaned the gold contacts till they throw a lightning spark. The D-beam is lethal, a thermal vision sight. Scott tuned the logic gates, now the MIDI's hitting right. He's not just fixing gear, he's reviving the beast, preparing the workstation for a sonic wave feast. No lag on the sampling, no skip on the track. He scrubbed the motherboard, ain't no turning back. From the dancehall lead to the lunar lead screech, the X6 is screaming well out of your reach. Gutted and reborn, Scott David ripped the filters, now the speakers are torn. Deep clean, specialist, scrub to the bone. Same day fixed now, he's reclaiming the throne. The ultimate grand is screaming in the night. Scott David fixed the ghost, now the signal's tight. Bleed, yeah. He saw the corrosion, he felt the decay. He put the ghost in the machine and he blew it away. Zero latency, zero filth. Dropping it at sunrise, back by the dusk. Ripping out the failure and the studio must. The pads hit like hammers, the faders move like silk. Scott Davis the predator, you're just a spilled milk. He wiped the slate clean,